Hello, my name is Elizabeth Park and I am the Distance Education Librarian for Bethel, and this is a short video to help you find the article called Avoiding Plagiarism by Sue Burkill. To begin, go to your VCamp website and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the library icon at the top right over here. You'll see plenty of resources. For now, we're just going to click on Articles. And what you're looking for is an EBSCO. So see right here, there's this box, and you would just type in Avoiding Plagiarism and click Search. So see, it's just the website. It's got the articles right here in the middle. So what we want to do is make sure that we narrow it down by the author. So her name is Sue Burkill. And then come over to here to where it says Select a Field Optional and choose Author. And there it is. The article's right here in the middle. So it's actually an article by Sue Burkill and Caroline Abbey. So to read the article, first you click on the title, and you'll see a lot of information about it. And over here where it says on the left, where it says PDF full text, if you click on that link, the whole article is going to pop up. And at this point you can read the article right here in the middle. You just scroll down. If you want to, you can come over here to the right and use these tools. You can email it to yourself. And to get the APA citation, so you'd come right down here and this new box opens up and here's the APA citation. So all you need to do is cut and paste that right into your reference page and you're all set.